Welcome to my channel, Mixed Media Creations. Hi, it's me, Creative Katie, Karen Burchill. Today we have an art journal tutorial, step-by-step process video, telling you all the inside tips and tricks. If you want to support my channel, you can shop through my Amazon influencer links, or you can click on the PayPal link. Both of these are in the description box below. Want to support my channel another way? Hit the subscribe button. Share this video with your creative friends.
Hi everybody, Creative Katie, Karen Burchill here. Welcome to my studio. Today, a little bit of a different video. I am coming to talk to you about something that I'm going to do, a video that I'm going to do fairly soon into the new year. I'm kind of percolating ideas for it, and I just wanted to invite you to join me, and that is doing a word of the year in an art journal or on a canvas or on a card, if that's what you prefer doing. So in the past 4 years, since 2015, I have done a word of the year. This time of year, I typically reflect back on what has happened in the last year, where my life is, what I think might be happening in the upcoming year, and I pick one word to encapsulate all of it. So I'm going to show you what I've done for the past 4 years, and we can go from there. So in 2015, it was kind of more through the middle of the year that I did this, but my word was hope. And this is one of the first mixed media pieces where I really felt that I could do it. It's just kind of everything kind of gelled after months and months of doing art and stuff. And hope for me, someone had given it to, I'd read a quote that hope stands for have only positive expectations. And this word hope has been kind of my rock word in more than 1 year. You know, when things are difficult, and I say that to myself, have only positive expectations. What was going on at the time, my husband and I were talking about and starting to put feelers out towards moving, relocating once I retired from teaching to the island, and he was applying for jobs, and so we were hopeful that what we thought might happen, what became our dream, was going to happen. And as you can see, I mean, I am on the island right now, and having those positive expectations, coming back to this was framed for the longest time on my wall, and I still love this piece. Now the second year, 2016, was a huge year of change and transition, and my word was trust. And the reason for the word for that year was that I was going to trust that even though change can be difficult and that there were a lot of unknowns, would we sell our house? Would we find a house? Could we afford the house? Would my husband like his job? You know, we just really took that leap of faith and trusted that things, if it was meant to be, it would be, and things would turn out the way they were supposed to be. And I needed to trust that we were strong enough to handle whatever life chose to throw at us that year. And it was a huge transition. My health, my mobility kind of had some issues there. We got dealt with a whole lot more than whatever, and this kind of kept me through. 2017, you know, speaks more towards where I was at. I was still experiencing a lot of pain and mobility issues. and I was using my art was my way of escaping the pain. I could lose myself in my art, which is why I teach it on YouTube, because I want people to have that experience. My word here was persevere, and you know, keep going, and step by step. The tortoise and the hare, you know, slow and steady wins the race. And that's why I chose the word persevere. Last year, things had started, you know, coming up. I had met and connected with a lot of people, artists, people through Facebook, through YouTube, through my YouTube channel, and I made a lot of great friends on the island, in the area that I lived. And so I was taking time to have an attitude of gratitude, and I was feeling very blessed, and that's where this came from. So this year, you know, moving forward, I'm not going to tell you what my word is. There will be a video in the early parts of January. Right now, this is what exists. It's a blank page. I do have ideas. I even have a couple possibilities. So how can you prepare for your word of the year if you want to join me? Go on Pinterest, do a search, and just do word of the year. There are lists and lists and lists of words, and you know, read through those words and see, you know, do some of them resonate with you, with what's going on in your life, seem to fit. You know, make a short list of the top 5. Spend some time thinking about it, come back to it, and then go from there. So I hope you join me. I hope you let me know what your word of the year is in the comment section of my word of the year video. Share your creative makes on my Facebook group, All Mixed Media Creations. Leave a comment, leave a like, and I'll see you in the new year.